Hello everyone, it's Jay from Iconic Classic Motors here in St. Charles, Missouri. And today we're here with the 2004 Chevy Corvette Convertible. It is powered by the 5.7 liter LS1. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and shows roughly 63,000 miles on the odometer. We will take a walk around of this car, show you some of the flaws and imperfections in it, do a cold start, and let's get going. So we're gonna start up front. I'll zoom in here so you can see. It does have aftermarket wheels. And they are 20-inch. Paint on it is very good shape. It does have some marks on like the mirror, but other than that, the paint is very well. Normally I take these for a drive, but I broke my foot and cannot shift gears. But this car does run and drive, shifts great. Aftermarket tailpipes, or whatever you want to call those. It's not mufflers. The mufflers are stock. It's just got those carbon fiber. Back wheels are bigger. They're still 20-inch. They're just wider than the front ones. There's no nicks or scratches or dings in this car. Glass is perfect. The front does have a mark here, some scratches here, and that is it. Other than that, it's in really good shape. Now, for the interior here, it has Z06 seats. Does have the memory package, and it does have the suspension package too. So it's got Z06 seats, which look pretty cool in it. I'll zoom out here so you can see the whole interior, get a better view of it. Aftermarket radio. It does have blue lights underneath, WeatherTech floor mats, and it has lots of amps. One here, one underneath that seat, and one underneath that seat, or behind it, I guess it is. So no check engine lights. Oil change has been done on it. You can see memory package. Another Z06 seat. Yeah, there's an amp. I will pop the hood. And then I'm going to pause the camera to put the top up because I am on one leg. So then we'll get a shot of the top. All right, we're back, and the top is up and the windows are up. Top is in really, really, really good shape. It's probably got a little bit of dust and stuff on it, as you can see, but that was just from being parked outside here in the spring. We're getting a lot of pollen and stuff now, so it is like a canvas top. So zoom in on it. There's no rips or tears in it. Really good top. Tinted windows. Get you a shot here of it. mean, it's a really, really good looking Corvette. And if you were looking to, if you didn't like the wheels and you wanted to change them out, we can do that. I can get you a set of factory wheels for it. Will be an additional cost to it, but you'll have 2 sets of wheels and you can sell these other ones. So let's go ahead and fire it up, do a cold start. All right, let's do the cold start. Service tire monitor light is on, and that is because of the aftermarket tires, or aftermarket wheels. You can see oil pressure is really good. Nice and quiet. Don't hear any tick. Up to my battery. No smoke. Show you that the power windows and locks work. And the mirrors. It does have memory package. The seat does work, goes forward. And then to get it to backwards, you just push up on it. But here is driver window and mirror. Passenger window and mirror. Auto. Air does kick on. The radio was working. I think it's got a loose wire back there or something, but see it's starting to warm up a little bit. It does have heads-up display and it works. Trunk, it's got storage compartments, it does have blue LED lights back here. So this concludes the video, the 04 Corvette. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You can call or text that number listed below. Thanks.